Hello, everyone. Welcome to SirParts Online. And today we are going to have our civil service exam review. Medyo matagal na po tayong nagpaplano na magkaroon po ng review about civil service exams at hindi po natuloy. So ngayon po ay gagawin na natin. First po na first day one. Day one po natin. Let's talk about nouns. Nouns po yung didiscuss natin. So, marami tayong pagdidiskussan about sa mga grammatical categories. Ang tawag dito mga parts of speech, no? So, we have nouns, verbs, adverbs, adjectives, pronouns, articles, prepositions, conjunctions, and interjections. So, yan, pag-aaralan natin yan at sa gabing ito, pag-aaralan po natin kung ano ang nouns. So yung nouns, ito po yung names of persons, places, things, animals, or events. For example, names of persons, me, SirParts, Christian Vin. That's the name. In places, let's say for example, Shokon, and when you have things, let's say you have your microphone, the light, no? Animals, we have dogs, cats, or events like we have right now. We have live stream or live stream. So, so these are the different characteristics of a noun. So, it has a possessive form. Generally, have singular and plural forms. Occurs with a determiner before it, and it may function as subject of a verb, object of a transitive verb, complement of a linking verb, object of a preposition, and appositive. So, may mga categories po tayo sa noun. So, tinatawag dito common nouns at saka proper nouns. So, when we say common nouns, pag ibig sabihin po ng common nouns, ano ito? It refers to a class of nouns. So, general po yung ano niya, category. So, for example, we have barangay, no? Barangay. So, that's common. Another would be we have book, that is common. We could have market, that is common. Another example is uh, bag. Okay. Then we have the other one is proper noun. Yung proper noun, it refers to a specific particular noun. So usually this is ano siya, capitalized. So for example, for books we have the purpose-driven life. So that's a proper noun of a book. Then for barangay, we have, let's say, Manaol. That is the barangay here uh, where I live, or barangay Maayong Tubig. Okay, then you can also have categories for noun according to grammatical number. So we have collective nouns, count nouns, and uncount or mass nouns. So for collective nouns, it refers to a group of nouns. Like for example, we have battalion, class, that is collective nouns. And count nouns, this can be counted, can be pluralized. Like for example, we have videos, no? Videos in YouTube. And we also have your live streams, no? You can count that. Then for non-count or mass nouns, this cannot be counted. Like for example, our food, you cannot count food. You cannot say foods. And rice, you cannot say rices, and because that is a non-count or mass nouns. That also includes sand. No. Then also we also have according to reference. So we have abstract nouns and concrete nouns. So yung abstract nouns, these are intangible nouns. Yeah. Hindi mo siya hindi mo siya mahahawakan. Like for example, yung love hindi mo mahahawakan, no? Yung love. And also happiness, sadness, idea. You cannot touch those things. No, these are called abstract nouns. Mm, concrete nouns, these are tangible. Pwede siya mahawakan, computer, books, laptops, etc. Then nouns can be derived from other grammatical categories. For example, dito yung may mga samples natin. Bored, then we have boredom, pirated, then you could have piracy, no? From adjective to noun. So brave, then we add y, it will become bravery. So that's a noun. Then we also have verb to noun. Like for example, we have bind. So from bind, we could have bandage. We could also have teach. Then we could have teacher, farm, farmer. That's it. There are also nouns that it's a verb, then it will become a noun. Like for example, the cook is still cook. Alarm, still alarm. Then also nouns may also be derived from other nouns. Like for example, train, it will become trainer. No, train, training. Okay, that's it. Then you could also add ee suffix there for designate. You could have designate, examine, examinee. You could also have examiner. Then nominate, nominee, refer, referee, tutor, tutoree. It's not this tutor or tuti. That's it, guys. So I hope noun is very important in identifying these nouns because usually these nouns can be part of our subject. Remember, in making our sentence, we have the subject and the predicate, and sometimes you need that. And also, knowledge of nouns is very important in answering uh, some questions. Like, for example, what is the who is the author of the story? Where does the story take place? That's it. So, what, the who, the why, what, who, where, when, why. So, those are some of the questions. So that's it, guys. That's all about nouns. So I hope you learn about nouns today. So uh, let's have a test. Okay, so okay, I'll give you a problem. Uh, city, is it a noun? City is a noun or not? Okay, so is that a noun or not? So if you say city is a noun, you are correct. Congratulations. And I'd like to ask you, uh, is city a common noun or a proper noun? Okay, is it a common noun or a proper noun? If you answer common noun, you are correct. Okay, next example, next question. Okay, apple, apple. What is an apple? A noun, a common noun, or a proper noun? Okay, so if you answer apple as a, what's that apple? Common or proper? That's a common because there are different types of apple, no? But if you're going to, according to grammatical number, what is an apple? A collective noun, a count noun, or a non-count or must nouns? Okay, so if you answer count nouns, you are correct because you can count the number of apples. Okay, next, rice. Rice, what is rice? Collective noun, count noun, or non-count or must nouns? Okay, so if you answer rice as non-count or must nouns, yes, but you might say, baka sabihin nyo, mabibilang naman yung rice, no? Isa-isahin natin, isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat, hindi naman, no? Hindi yan mabibilang tulad ng sun. So, ano yon? Non-count. So, tatlo yung according to grammatical number, mayroon tayong tinatawag na collective nouns, mayroon tayong tinatawag na count nouns, at saka non-count or must nouns. So, yun. Then, meron tayong abstract nouns. According to reference, meron tayong abstract nouns at saka concrete nouns. So, yung concrete nouns yung nahawakan, yung abstract nouns hindi nahawakan. So, yun po. So, I hope you learned today about nouns. And tuloy-tuloy lang po natin yan, no? So, dapat sasali po kayo sa ating review. Simple lang po yung review natin about dito sa nouns natin. And tomorrow po, ano po tayo? Mag-aaral po tayo ng next na parts of speech, no? Grammatical categories na verbs. So, yun yung nouns, lagyan na natin ng action. So, action words, yan, no? Yung mga verbs. So, I hope may natutunan po kayo sa ating simpleng review sa civil service exam na start na natin. At yun po, I hope and pray may marami po kayong natutunan. And yun, magbibigay muna ako ng tip, no, sa mga mag-take ng exam. Yung key lang po talaga, very important po aside from your inherent, nandyan na po, nasa loob na po na matalino po tayo, kasi tayong lahat po ay matalino. Most likely, tayo po ay hindi makapasa dahil po sa kulang po ng preparasyon. I remember, nung una ako nag-take ng civil service exam, bagsak po ako kasi kulang po ng preparasyon. So, I remember noon, hindi din ako marunong mag-manage ng time sa pag-take sa exam. Later on, medyo hahabaan po natin yung ating yung review natin. Magkakaroon po tayo ng parang actual na examination na gagawin dito po sa SirParts Online. So, bali practice tayo. Dapat talaga masagot natin yung mga katanungan within 1 minute lang po. Kasi very important po yung time element sa pagtitake ng exam. Like for example noon, nung una ako nag-take ng exam, civil service, nabagsak po ako. Bagsak po ako kasi hindi ko medyo na-control yung time, tapos kulang ako ng review. Very important talaga yung pag-review. Kahit self-review lang, pwede na. Tapos may naalala ko noon, may yellow na book na reviewer. Yun po yung ginagamit ko sa pag-take ng exam. Pero hindi ko yun binasa. Binabrowse ko lang. Tapos, alala nyo yung first time ako nag-take na exam, nagpunta talaga ko doon sa mathematics kasi sa mathematics medyo sure sa ating mga sagot. So, pero hindi nakuha natin, nabagsak po tayo. At saka, sa pangalawa natin pag-take, medyo nag-prepare, nag-review. Pagkatapos po ng review natin, nag-take tayo sa Sambuanga, medyo mature din tayo sa pag-take. Nag-review, nag-self-review, at nag-take ng second chance. At yun, pumasa. Pumasa po tayo. At ngayon, nagkaroon na tayo ng mga review ng civil service dahil dyan. So, I hope marami kayong natutunan. See you po sa mga next na training natin. Yun, God bless everyone. See you po tomorrow sa ating another civil service review. Maraming salamat po. And invite ko po kayo on Monday, meron tayong webinar. It's all about Goal Setting 101 webinar. Sana may matutunan din po kayo doon. Mag-register lang po kayo. Hanapin niyo yung mga videos ko, may link doon for registration. And maraming salamat po sa time for 15 minutes. Nagsasama tayo. And I hope next time marami po kayong matutunan dito sa SirParts Online. So see you po tomorrow for another tutorial about civil service. Bye! Maraming salamat. I hope you will pass in the exam.